So guys, mag-unbox na tayo dito guys. Sobrang laki na ito guys. Guys, ang sampo na ang pasahan guys. Natapunan na ako guys. Kung paano ko ito ba ano guys. Open up the picture and open up. Ay, pag ganito yata ang open yan. Open up the picture. Open up the picture. Salamira. Salamira. But I guess it's just feeling good enough. Swear we are always stronger than before. Since I've been in this room, I don't need a friend. Hold me now, touch me now. I want to live it. Oh wow! Ayan guys, okay naman siya guys. Okay naman yung ano niya guys.